Hello, young explorers. Have you ever seen a lion roaring in the jungle or a butterfly fluttering in your garden? How about a fish swimming in the ocean, or a worm wriggling in the soil? Our planet is bursting with amazing animals, each one unique and incredible. Think about a giant elephant and a tiny ant. Both are animals, but they are so different. Elephants have big floppy ears and a trunk for drinking water. Ants are super strong and can carry things many times their size. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, animals come in all shapes and sizes with different colors, behaviors, and habitats. Isn't it fascinating? But with so many different animals out there, how do we make sense of them all? That's where the amazing world of animal classification comes in. Imagine you have a big box of toys, all mixed up. You might have cars, dolls, building blocks, and stuffed animals all jumbled together. It would be hard to find what you're looking for, right? Classifying animals is like sorting your toys. Scientists classify animals to organize them into groups based on their shared characteristics. It's like putting all the cars together, all the dolls together, and so on. This makes it much easier for us to study animals, understand their relationships, and learn more about the natural world around us. Just like arranging your toys helps you find them faster, classifying animals helps scientists study and protect them better. The animal kingdom is broadly divided into two main groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. This is the first big sorting scientists do when classifying animals. Vertebrates are animals that have a backbone, also called a spinal column. This bony structure runs down their back, providing support and helping them move. Think of a snake, a bird, or even yourself. You can feel your backbone running down your back. Invertebrates, on the other hand, don't have a backbone. They are the largest group of animals on Earth, and they come in an amazing variety of shapes and sizes. Some invertebrates, like insects, have a hard outer shell for protection, while others, like jellyfish, have soft bodies. So the next time you see an animal, try to figure out if it's a vertebrate or an invertebrate. Vertebrates are further divided into 5 main groups: mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. Let's meet these fascinating creatures. Mammals are warm-blooded animals that have fur or hair and give birth to live young. They also produce milk to feed their babies. Can you think of some mammals? Dogs, cats, elephants, dolphins, and even humans are all mammals. Birds. Birds are also warm-blooded, but they have feathers and wings which allow them to fly. They lay eggs and have beaks instead of teeth. From tiny hummingbirds to giant ostriches, the bird world is full of wonder. Fish. Fish are cold-blooded animals that live in water. They breathe through gills, have fins for swimming, and lay eggs. From colorful clownfish to massive sharks, the ocean is teeming with amazing fish. Amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded animals that can live both on land and in water. They have smooth, moist skin and lay their eggs in water. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are all amphibians. Reptiles. Reptiles are cold-blooded animals that have scales or plates covering their bodies. They breathe air with lungs and lay eggs. Snakes, lizards, turtles, and crocodiles are all reptiles. Each group of vertebrates has its own unique set of characteristics that help them survive and thrive in their environments. Section 5. The wonderful world of invertebrates. Now let's dive into the incredible world of invertebrates. This group includes a mind-boggling array of animals, and we'll focus on a few common ones. Insects are the largest group of invertebrates, and they are found all over the world. They have 6 legs, a hard exoskeleton, and 3 body parts: a head, a thorax, and an abdomen. Think of ants, bees, butterflies, and beetles. Worms are long, slender invertebrates that live in soil, water, and even inside other animals. They play an important role in breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil. Earthworms are a common type of worm. Jellyfish are fascinating creatures that float in the ocean. They have soft, jelly-like bodies and tentacles that they use to catch food. Some jellyfish are even bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light. Starfish are star-shaped creatures that live on the ocean floor. They have spiny skin and tube feet that help them move and catch prey. Did you know that starfish can regenerate their arms if they lose them? These are just a few examples of the amazing diversity of invertebrates. They might not have backbones, but they are incredibly successful and play vital roles in ecosystems worldwide. Section 6. Recap the animal kingdom in a nutshell. We've explored a lot about animal classification, so let's recap. Scientists classify animals to organize them based on their shared characteristics. The animal kingdom is divided into two main groups: vertebrates, which are animals with a backbone like mammals, birds, fish, amphibians, and reptiles. And then there are invertebrates, animals without a backbone such as insects, worms, jellyfish, starfish, and many more. Remember, this is just a glimpse into the vast and wonderful world of animal classification. There is so much more to explore and discover. Section 7. Why does classification matter? Understanding animal classification helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth. It also helps us see the connections between different animals and understand how they are related. By studying animals and their characteristics, scientists learn more about how they live, what they eat, and how they interact with their environments. This knowledge is crucial for protecting endangered species, managing ecosystems, and even developing new medicines. So the next time you encounter an animal, think about its place in the animal kingdom and the amazing adaptations that make it special. Section 8. Become an animal detective. You don't have to be a scientist to appreciate the wonders of the animal kingdom. The next time you're outdoors, pay close attention to the animals around you. What do they look like? How do they move? What are they doing? By observing animals and their behavior, you can start to think like a scientist and make your own classifications. Keep a journal of your observations and see how many different types of animals you can identify. You might be surprised by what you discover. Section 9. The Animal Kingdom awaits. The animal kingdom is a vast and fascinating place, full of wonder and excitement. By understanding animal classification, we can better appreciate the incredible diversity of life on Earth and our place within it. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and never lose your sense of wonder for the natural world.